Difference between branding and marketing. Branding addresses the why, while marketing focuses on how. Branding is primarily oriented towards long term, while marketing tends to cater to a short-term goals. Branding operates on a macro level, dealing with the big pictures, while marketing attends to detail, figuring out how to execute strategies effectively. Branding establishes the trajectory for the businesses, whereas marketing determines the specific tactics to navigate that trajectory. Branding builds customer loyalty, while marketing seeks to get a reaction. Branding creates value. Marketing extracts it. Branding adds value naturally, while marketing brings out that value through promotion and communication. Branding captures what the business is all about, while marketing involves promotion, that identity. But that's my opinion. I would love to know what you think.